told me everything she could not say. 'Cause when it falls apart, there's just no easy way. There's just no easy way. There's no easy way to break.
Hello mga kakulit! Good day na naman po sa inyong lahat. Andito na naman po ang inyong lingkod, Mark Kulit. At bago po ang lahat, nais ko na naman po sanang anyayahan ang mga hindi pa po nakakasubscribe dyan na maaari po sanang pakipindot po ang subscribe button dyan sa baba ng aking video nang sa gayon po, pareho po tayong nakasmile after the video. Ngayon guys, ating pakinggan ang pag-awit ni Sir Karl Malone Montesido sa kantang There's No Easy Way at bigyan natin ng reaction to. Let's go guys! Pakinggan natin to.
I know she breaks so easily. And then I told her, but I knew no matter how I tried to console her, she just do the best she could. But there are times the best is no good. And no matter how you try to be kind, there is always still a part of you you leave behind.
Wow.
'Cause when it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart.
Tingnan ang diskarte niya.
Alright, we told her she'd be fine, though we both knew it was just a lie. I'll have to do it, 'cause I had to say anything to help me get through it. Then she reached and for my hand, in a simple touch is more than I can say. And I have to turn away, 'cause I knew all the hurt that she was feeling, I was feeling too. 'Cause when it falls apart, there's no easy way to break somebody's heart.
Galing diskarte.
She could have got angry and made me feel like a guilty child, but I realized I never was her style.
Wow.
I wanted her to hurt me, 'cause I'm dreaming like a fiend. I want her to be together someday. I can call it on my knees to ask about again. She acted like a lady till the end. Oh, what a lady. I thought that she'd break down,
Lambing ng entry.
but you smiled at me, you never made a sound. And I guess she understood in a way, 'cause the silence told me everything she could not say. 'Cause when it falls apart, there's just no easy way. There's just no easy way. There's no easy way to break somebody's heart.
Wow. Ang galing. And guys, so dyan natatapos ang ating video. So siya po si Karl Malone Montesido. Yan, kung gusto nyo pong panoorin ang kanyang YouTube channel, base sa pagkakaalam ko, is Karl Malone Montesido music. Yan. So, dyan nyo siya mapapanood. Correct me if I'm wrong. Pwede kayong mag-comment sa comment section ko kung nagkamali ako ng channel ni Sir. So, and guys, wala tayong masabi. Talagang napakalupit. Ang galing. Yung mga sagasa niya, yung diskarte niya, yung mga kulot. Ang lupit. Talagang gagalaw yung ulo mo habang kumakanta siya. Habang kinukulit mo yung mga pa-ending niya. Tas yung entry ng banat niya sa pag-entry niya sa kanta, pag-ending niya sa kanta, talagang pulidong-pulido, ang galing. Idol, malupit talaga. At saka yung quality ng boses ni Sir talagang kakaiba talaga. Ang lambing na hindi mo maintindihan, smooth bumanat, wow na wow. Talagang parang gusto mong matulog pagka naririnig mo yung boses niya. Diyan natatapos ang ating reaction video, guys. And so, maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood, sa mga sumusubaybay, nagla-like, nagsusubscribe, sa mga nagko-comment sa atin sa aking YouTube channel. Maraming salamat po. Sana po patuloy po ang suporta niyo sa akin. Muli, ito po ang inyong lingkod, Mark Colette. Bye-bye!